Alright folks, let's talk about a topic that's as inevitable as taxes. Menopause. Today, we're diving into the world of at-home menopause tests. Instead of searching for a baby bump, we're confirming that your reproductive days are officially winding down. First up, we have the classic FSH test. This little strip measures follicle-stimulating hormone levels in your body. If your ovaries are ready to retire, FSH levels will be high, signaling that they're not producing eggs like they used to. Think of it as your body's way of saying, time to move on, but hold on. A single high FSH result doesn't mean you should start planning your menopause celebration just yet. Hormone levels can fluctuate like a roller coaster during this time, so it's important to look at trends rather than one-off results. Some tests go beyond just FSH and check multiple hormones, including estradiol and luteinizing hormone. This gives you a broader picture of what's happening in your hormonal landscape. However, even with these tests, the ultimate confirmation of menopause is still the classic 12 months without a period rule. That's right, no periods for an entire year means you've officially entered menopause. While these tests can provide some insight, they're not the final word. They serve as a helpful starting point for discussions with your doctor. Think of them as a way to gather information before diving deeper into the conversation about what's next. So, if you're experiencing hot flashes and wondering if your baby-making days are behind you, these tests can offer some clarity. Just remember that menopause is a journey, not a destination, and these tests are just one part of the process. I've got a company that will perform these tests for you, with or without health insurance. Click the link in the description to learn more and see their prices. For more tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me. Remember, you are beautiful. Stay confident and frisky, my friend.